Hi, this is Scott Dudley, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you can track file downloads in Google Analytics. So the easiest way to do this is to set up the file download as an enhanced measurement. So you're going to go to the admin menu down the bottom here and then click on data streams and then click on this arrow to open up the data stream. And then we've got enhanced measurement here. And if we just click on this gear to configure it, what we want to make sure is that the file downloads down the bottom here is enabled. So it should usually be enabled by default, but it's a good idea to come down here just to make sure and to check that that is turned on and to click save up the top here. And then, once that's turned on, we want to validate that it's actually recording the file downloads inside GA4. So there's a couple of ways to do this. So if I just go over to this test page that I've set up here on my website with a button that downloads a PDF and click on this button, and it just opens up this sample PDF doc. And then if we go back to Google Analytics and we go to reports and then real time up the top here. And then if we scroll down a bit here to the right hand side, it's got event count. And it's got 1 to 6 out of 10 here. If we just go to the right hand side to show 7 to 10. It's got file download. Okay, so if we click on file download, it's then got the parameters that are included with the file download, and one of those is the file name, which if we mouse over shows the sample PDF doc, which is the file name here. If we go back, it's also got the file extension, which is PDF. So usually with a file download, it'll be a PDF, but it doesn't have to be a PDF. It could be anything. It could be a doc or an Excel file or whatever. So it'll show you the file extension here. And then the other way that you can do it as well is to go back to admin and then go into debug view here. And this can sometimes be a bit funky where it doesn't always show what you're expecting it to show. Just wait for that here. So here we go, it's got file download over here, so that it must be in here somewhere. File download. All right, so yeah, this is one that I actually did 20 minutes ago, but if we click on that, it'll then show you the file extension as PDF and the file name is this sample PDF doc. So then the other thing that you can do is you can set up specific events for a PDF file. So the one that I just showed you, that will show all file downloads. Whereas if you want to set up an event for a specific file download, then you'll need to set up a trigger and a tag inside GTM. So to do that, we go to triggers and then click on new and then trigger configuration. And then in this particular case, we want just links and we want some link clicks. And then we're going to have the click URL contains. So in this particular example, sample PDF doc, but you can have whatever you want here. And we can also add the file extension. So to do that, we can go to click URL again, and we say that it ends with PDF. So that way it will only trigger if the link click includes a sample PDF doc, so it contains, and also it ends with PDF. All right, so we can name the trigger. Sample PDF. Also, let's say file download. Click save. And then we create the tag. We'll click on new. We'll open up a Google Analytics GA4 event. Select our GA configuration, or copy and paste our measurement ID and paste it in here. The event name, so for this one we'll call it sample PDF doc, all lowercase and using underscores for the spaces. And then we'll select trigger, which will be the sample PDF file download. We'll click on save. Oh, actually we'll name the tag. So GA event sample PDF doc. Save. All right, then we can just debug this to make sure that it's working properly. So if we go to preview, type in the URL. So if we go back, put in this URL, connect. All right, make sure that this is connected, and then we'll click on this button here. It opens that up. We go back to Tag Manager, and you'll see that there is a event here for a link click. And on that second link click here, the tag has fired for the GA event, the sample PDF doc that I set up. And if we open that up, we can see that all of these are correct. The click URL contains sample PDF doc. The click URL ends with PDF. The event is correct, and the trigger matches that regex. So that has worked, and that will now show up in GA4 as a event for that specific file download. So hopefully that was helpful, and if you've got any other suggestions on videos that I could create, then just let me know in the comments. Thanks.